guys, it's Will here, welcome back. Got another short clip for you on how to check the fluids in your front rear differential, your rear differential, and your transfer case. On 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, it's pretty much the same principle, just minus transfer case in the front rear. I'm going to be doing this one on a Ford Explorer, but it's pretty much the same principle on many models. So let me take you under and show you how it's done. It's pretty simple. Okay, we're underneath here. I got this thing jacked up on stands. It's pretty level, and if you can see up there, that's the plug that you want to pull. You'll see it's about mid-level. Usually it's right around the level of the oil seal. So just look for that plug. This one here takes a 3/8 drive, so just a regular 3/8 ratchet will pull that plug for you. Now what we're looking for here, you might want to get a little drain bucket or a pretty heavy rag to put underneath here, because when I pull that plug out, if differential fluid comes out, then I know it's full. If not, we want to fill it until it just starts coming out of that hole. So let's check and see what happens. Try not to get in your way, but well, if I get covered, I get covered. There it goes. Okay, there's the fluid. Alright, this one's good. That's what you want to see. Let me check it one more time in case it was just burping. I'm sure it's full. Yeah, she's full. There's fluid in there, that's what you want to see. Okay, let's move to the back. Don't forget to tighten it. Okay. This is word of advice, just clean up the residual oil. Customers have a tendency, if they see a wet spot, they think they got a leak. But it just could be just from having your fluids checked. Okay guys, we're at the rear. I'm not sure if you can see the plug. It's right here. Like I said, it's usually mid-level. Somewhere around where the pinion goes into the rear, right around the pinion seal. Sometimes it's in the rear. But they usually try to keep the level right at seal height, mid-level. Okay. Gotta use an extension on this one. Oh. They can be tight sometimes, but we'll see how this one looks. Sorry if I'm in your way, guys, but okay. Aha, this one's low. How low, I'm not sure, but it's not coming out. Sometimes I'll take a pinky or try to dip it in there. Ooh, nothing. Well, let's put some fluid in this. Okay, this part could always be fun. I have a special pump for this, but most likely the regular do-it-yourselfer won't have it, so I'll just show you how to do it with the bottles. Always look up the recommended fluid type and for your make and model, and always top off with recommended fluid, compatible fluid. Okay. Now we're just gonna fill her until she comes out. I know I spilled a little residual putting it in. But you'll know because gotta love the sound effects. Now this was only a partial. Figure I'd get rid of this one first. Okay. What I do instead of cutting a new top, I'll just take the top off of the one that I used and just put it on the other new bottle. I just usually cap it with my finger for as long as I can and then stick it in the hole. And just wait for the fluid to come out. I don't know if that's it or if that's what I dumped. Yeah, I think it's just residual that I... Okay, I think it, see, now I see it coming. That's probably it. Wipe it off and check. Sometimes it's so hard to get at, you'll spill a little bit and it'll look like it's full, but it might not be. Stick my finger in there. Yeah, see, she's full now. Yeah. Okay, reinstall your plug. Make sure you get it nice and tight, and you don't have to overkill them. They're just tapered MPT thread. Okay, here we are, transfer case. Like I said before, always look for the level plug midway. As you see, there's two of them here. You got a lower drain. See, this one actually says drain. And then you got your upper one. It's the one you want. Oh, yeah, like I said, these can be tight. I found another low one. How low she is. That's pretty low, and as you can tell, there ain't gear oil in this one, it's training fluid. So, like I said, make sure you look up your recommended fluid type. Because just because this one takes training fluid, regular ATF, doesn't mean yours will. So always check your manual. So you can see that one's red. But alright, let me get some fluid and we'll top her off. Okay, I'm back. Just got done looking up the recommended fluid. I had a gallon of it, just topped off a quart I had laying around. Another little trick, all you have is a quart jug. That same top off of that gear oil container fits a quart pretty well. So just a little hint. This stuff's a little thinner, so once this starts coming out, you'll know it. Yep, there she is. Yummy. Okay. Tighten your plug up. Always wipe off your residual.